Hello! How you been? Okay, so we are all staying at home, right? Just like we're supposed to. I have Hamilton in my head, so ba-da-da-da-da. Okay, getting back to the point. So I have been cleaning and straightening up. I live in California, so I've been sheltering in place for 2 weeks because my company actually sent us home early than the state actually shut down. And I have to scratch my face. Something to know. See, didn't touch my face. So anyway, while I've been home, I've been catching up on some of those things that, you never get around to because I'm at home. So one of the things, and just so you guys know, I intentionally let this cup get this bad. But see the inside of this cup? If you are a tea drinker or if you are a coffee drinker, your cups can get like this. But I have the solution, and it's something you probably already have in your refrigerator. And it is this. Yes, just plain old baking soda. That's all you need. You need about, these are my fancy measuring spoons. I'm gonna go with a half a teaspoon, okay? You wanna just wet the inside of the cup. And I'm gonna put a glove on, not because you need a glove on, but because I don't like how the baking soda makes my hands feel. So I'm gonna put a glove on. And then I have just a regular old sponge. And I'm going to put a little bit of water in the cup, just kind of to get it wet, not a whole lot. And about a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. And you don't want it watery, you want it to be like a paste. Okay, so here, half a teaspoon out of the cup. And I'm doing this on my phone, and so I don't have something that goes over the sink. So we're gonna wing it, okay? So there you go, you can see it inside the cup. Okay. Take my sponge, and you just want to wipe it around. And this is for really bad stains. Just a little bit of baking soda. You guys are gonna be shocked. I also have a little stain on the outside of this cup. Okay, so rinse it off, rinse it out, and ta-da! How about that? Brand new, looks brand new. All of that gross stuff in there, totally gone. It's awesome. Here's one of this is a Tervis tumbler. I love these guys because they have such pretty flowers. See, it's daisies, my favorite. So I'm going to do the same thing with this. So see how, I don't know if you can see how gross it is on the inside. And it's clean. I've put this through the dishwasher a number of times. So anyway, I'm gonna this is a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna put a whole teaspoon in this one. And I forgot to wet it, but I don't really think it'll matter. So just a little bit of water, probably even less than what I did. And I'm gonna stick my sponge down in it. I'm not doing a whole lot of scrubbing. I'm letting the baking soda do the work, honestly. Especially when you have these to-go cups that are clear. You don't want it to look all gross, right? Because that wouldn't be good. And the outside of the thing has gotten wet. I'm gonna drop it. And it's plastic, that would be fine, but that's not the point. Okay. How's that looking on the inside? A little bit in this one corner. And honestly, you don't really have to scrub. I'm being dramatic. So let's see how it looks. It looks like there's, in the center, there's like this little dimple down in the bottom that I'm not able to get. Okay, rinse it off. Rinse it out. And look at that. I mean, I hope you can tell, but look how clear it is. Look, and in the inside. Oops. Don't get water on your camera, Michelle. Okay? Anyway, that is my tip for this week. How to get nasty looking cups that look like, ooh, here's another one. Look like this to look like this. How about that? All right, till next time. Bye, babies. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Bye.